Have you received a 3D asset from the Invite Friends achievement? You can now use this 3D asset directly. Click the logo button at the top of the scene view to open the UModeler hub. Click the second Assets tab, and you can see a list of available assets. Let's import the Lost Temple asset, which you've obtained according to the achievement. If you press the Import button on the right of the Lost Temple and wait a moment, an import window will appear. In the import window, press the Import button at the bottom right and wait for a moment. The Lost Temple asset is imported into the current project. Once you see the Lost Temple folder installed in the project, open the Scenes folder within and open the Lost Temple scene. When you select a desired object, the UModeler X component is displayed in the inspector along with the object's information. Press the Open Prefab Editor button, and you can go inside the prefab and modify it with UModeler X toolset. After you finish modifying and return to the scene, the changes are reflected in the corresponding prefab instance.